Oh my god. What the fuck? Round two, bitch. On this episode of How to Fix a Flat, you're gonna take this thing right here and smooth the hole out with these gritty things right here. Then you're gonna take these black spaghetti noodles and you're gonna put them on this thing like this right here. You're gonna stick this in there. You're gonna twist it. Then you're gonna yank real hard. Don't forget your glue. Once you put your glue on, you're gonna take this son bitch and you're gonna twist. You're gonna push this real hard. Yeah. And see, once it's in there like that, you put your foot on this bitch right here, and then you take this, and once it's in there real good, just yank that motherfucker. Once you fill her up, make sure she don't leak, and then give her a good slap.